Okay, so the two colors I'm using black and this burgundy. Black and the burgundy. So the burgundy is going to be the top half of my dress, and the black is going to be the bottom half, like the skirt. So I'm going to separate my pattern pieces by color. It's the top piece. That's the bottom piece. My belts I'm actually going to do in black. Okay. And it'll tell you on your pieces what it is. So this one says skirt back, so it'll go with black. And this one says bodice, side front, and bodice is like your top half. The strap, pocket would be black, and bodice is front. So pieces I'm going to cut out first. I'm going to do the bodice pieces, which will be the red. And most of these, it says cut 2. So that's what I'm going to do. Cut 2. Cut 2. Cut 2. Cut 2. And cut 2. Yep, so most are cut 2. I'm going to lay out my fabric. As I make sure they're even. Lay out my fabric. I'm going to get my pins and start pinning my pieces to the fabric. Now, if you want to, which since I'm doing 2 different colors, it's not going to work out as well. It does tell you on your pattern how you can lay out your pieces. So for me, I am going to do it my own way since it's not necessarily number 9. And you are going to, when you lay it down how you want it, you are going to pin them to the fabric. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with pinning this one down. And you're gonna wanna pin it. Let me show you if I can get like, okay, you're gonna wanna pin it so it does not move when you cut it. So I'm going to put the pins maybe every ½ inch apart. So that when I cut this material, because it is stretchy material, it will not stretch or will not move. And it's good to do this on a hard table so that when you don't have to pick up the fabric when you pin these. You can just scoop it and pin it. There, I have one pinned down. That's what you're gonna do for all of it. You're gonna do that for the top half and the bottom half. Which if you're doing one color, you can follow the pattern, but if you're doing two, you can just figure it out. That's what I'm doing. And I will get back to you when I cut all this out.